Question number 31. Study the graph carefully to answer the following questions. The number of people contributing towards helping tsunami victims from different cities or not. And here P, Q, R, S, T, U data are given or not. All are in 500 multiples or not. All are in 500 multiples. P, Q, R, S, T, U. P value is how much? 3000. Means how many parts? 6 parts or not? All are in 500 multiples or not? How many times? 6 times. Q value 9 times, 8 times, 5 times, 7 times. Next one 3 times or not? Okay. Then every one part is how much? 500 or 600? 500. Suppose answer we are getting 10 parts, then answer are 5000 or 4000? 5000 or not? Suppose the ratio we are getting 6:5 means answer will be 6/5 into 100 or not? Okay. What is the first question? The number of people contributing from cities Q and U together forms approximately what percentage of the total number of people contributing from all the given cities together or not? Q and U together. What are the Q parts? 9 parts. U parts? 3 parts. 9 plus 3? 12 parts or not? 12 is what percent of contributing all the cities or only one city? All the cities or not? First we are adding the all the cities values or not? 6 plus 9? 15 plus 8? 23 plus 5? 28 plus 7? 35 plus 3? 38 or not? Then 12 is what percent of 38 parts or not? Total how many parts? 38 parts. Then we return 12 by 38 into 100 or not? Okay. We required approximate percentage or exact percentage? Approximate. What is the 10% of 38? 3.8. What is the 30% value? 11.4 or not? Then 40% value? Answer must be more than 30 or less than 30? More than 30. But nearby 30% or not? Which option? Third option or fifth option? Third option. 30% value 11.4 means then 3% value 1.14 or not? What is the 30% value? 11.4. Then 3% value 1.14. Then we are getting more than 12 or less than 12? More than 12. Then answer must be 31% or 33%? 31%. Next question number 32. What percent of number of people contributing from city T is more in comparison to the number of people contributing from city S or not? Okay. What is the T percentage? Sorry, T is how many parts? 7 parts. S is how many parts? 5 parts. How many parts are more? 2 parts more or not? How many parts are more? 2 parts more. 2 by which one? 5 or not? 2 by 5 converted to which one? Percentage. 2 by 5 into 100 means 40%. Which option? Fourth one. Next, we required ratio or not? City P and city R. What is the P value? 6 parts. R value 8 parts. Ratio 3:4. Which option? Fifth option or not? Next question number 34. The number of people traveling contributing from how many cities forms less than 21% of the total number of people contributing from all the cities together or not? Okay. Number of people contributing how many cities forms less than the 21% of which one? Total number of value or not? What is the total value? 38. In that how much percent? 21% or not? 21% of which value? 38. What is the 10% of 38? 3.8. 20%? 7.6. Again 1%? 0.38 or not? 0.38. Both are adding, it is 7.98. Okay. How many values are less than 7.98? P is less value or not? S also less value or not? P, S and T value and U value or not? How many values are less than 7.98? 4 or not? Then answer is first option. Next question number 35. How many people from city S would have been made the ratio of 9:7 for the number of people contributing for city S to that of city T or not? Okay. What are the city T parts? How much? 7 parts. And here 7 parts are equal to 7 or not? Means obviously 9 parts are 9 or not? 7 parts are 7 means 9 parts are how much? 9. How many parts are extra? S value. S and T, what is the ratio? 9:7. Already we know 7 parts value 7 or not? Then 9 parts are how much? 9. But actually S is how many parts? 5 parts. How many parts are extra? 4 parts or not? What is the 1 part value? 500. How many parts are more? 4 parts. What is the 4 parts value? 2000 or not? T 7 parts. S value 9 parts. 7 is 7 means 9 will be 9. But actually S value are 5 parts. How many parts are extra? 4 parts. Then how much value are more? 2000 more or not? Next question number 36. Rani, Bharati and good in maths and science. Krishna and Rani are good in maths and English. Misra and Bharati are good in social and science. Krishna, Misra and Kalyani are good in Hindi and English. What is the first question? Who is good in maths, social and science? Maths, social and science. Okay. Maths, social and science. 3 subjects are only 1 subject. 3 subjects. Maths, Rani is maths or not? Next, second one maths value also Rani or not? Next, last one. Okay. Which one is the combination? Rani or not? What is the first option? Krishna. Krishna, maths, social, science are given or not? Krishna value. He good at maths, English. Okay, means eliminate the Krishna or not? Eliminate the Krishna. What is the second option? Rani. Rani good at maths, social and science. No. Rani also eliminated or not? What is the third one? Mishra. Misra is good in maths, social, science. But again we required which one? Maths value or not? Means Misra also eliminated. What is the fourth one? Bharati. Bharati good in maths, science and social or not? Means which person? Bharati or not? 3 subjects are only 1 subject. 3 subjects. Next 37. Who is good in English, science and maths? English, science, maths. Which one are good? Rani or not? First Rani, maths value or not? Next, again Rani, maths and English. Next, again, here we required which one? English, science, maths. First one Rani, maths and science or not? Okay na? Question easy, అందుకోసమే ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడట్లేదు దాని గురించి. What is the answer? Rani. Next 38. Who is good in English, social, science and Hindi? 4 subjects are only 1 subject. 4 subject. Which one? Mishra or not? Common sense kada questions ki. Next question number 39. X square plus 48 equal to 14x. This one we written x square minus 14x plus 48 equal to 0 or not? What is the product value? 48. Sum value 14. Then x final roots are 8 comma 6 or not? Next, second equation y square minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0. Product is 10, sum is 7. Then y final roots are 5 comma 2. Then answer x greater than y or not. Next question number 40. Two linear equations or not. 2x plus 5y equal to 17.5 and 3x plus 4y equal to 17.5. Equate the two equations or not. 2x plus 5y equal to how much? 3x plus 4y or not. Right hand side both values are same or different? Same. 2x plus 5y equal to 3x plus 4y. What is the difference between 2x and 3x? X. Difference between 5 and 4y. Y or not? But minus y or plus y? Plus y. X equal to how much? Y. Answer third option or not? ఏమన్నా ఉందా క్వశ్చన్లో? ఏమీ లేదు కదా. 3x and 2x what is the difference? X. 5y 4y difference y. Next 41. చెప్పారా రాంగ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్? Wrong number series. What is the last one difference? 36. Last two 25. 16. All are in squares or cubes? Squares. What is the previous one? 9. Previous one? 4. Previous one? 1 or not? 42 plus 1. 43. Wrong number? 44. Next question number 42. 8, 19, 41, 52, 74, 85, 103. Okay. What is the last one difference? 18 or not? Last 2 second? 11 or not? 22. Next 11. Next 22. Next 11 or not? 11, 22, 11, 22. Obviously last one also 22 or not? 85 plus 22. How much? 107. What is the wrong number? 103. Next question number 43. 703, 696, 682, 659, 633. Series is decreased or not? What is the first one difference? 7. Next one? 14. Next 20. 23. Next 36. Next one 26 or 36? 26. What is the next one difference? 35. And last one 42. Just 1 minute. What is the first term? 7. Second term 14. What are the last two terms? 35 and 42. Means all are in 7 multiples or not? Okay. First, what is the difference? 7, 14. Means next one 21. Next one 28. Next 35. Next 42 or not? 696 minus 14. How much? 682. 682 minus 21. 661. Means wrong number. 659. 27, 315, 459, 539, 567, 584, 594. What is the last one difference? 10. Last 2 second. 17 or not? Next 531 and 567. 36. 459 and 531. 72. Obviously 144. And first one difference 288. 288 of 144. Again of 72. Again of 36. Half of the 36 means 18. Half of the 18 9 or not? Obviously wrong number 584. Because last two terms are changed means which one is the wrong number? 584. Next 45. 32, 42, 47, 62. What is the first one difference? 10. Next one 5. Next one 15. Next one 20. Next one 25. Next one 30 or not? 15, 20, 25, 30, correct. Means obviously here 5 and here, sorry, second term 10. First one is 5. 32 plus 5, 37. 37 plus 10, 47. Then wrong number is how much? 42. Next question number 46. Question is related to boats and streams. A boat can travel 8.5 kilometers downstream in how many minutes? 15 minutes. And 3.6 kilometers upstream in how many minutes? 8 minutes. What is the speed of the boat in still water and hood? Okay. Every 15 minutes, how much distance are traveled? 8.5. 15 minutes, 8.5 means 30 minutes. 1700. 60 minutes, 3400. 60 minutes means 1 hour or 2 hours? 1 hour. Speed is always per hour value or per minute value? Per hour value. Then downstream speed means m plus s or m minus s? M plus s. That is equal to how much value? 34 kilometer per hour and hood. Next, second one, 3.6 kilometers upstream in how many minutes? 8 minutes. 8 minutes, 3.6 kilometers and hood. Then 4 minutes, 1.8 and hood. 8 minutes, 3.6 means 4 minutes, 1.8. Then 2 minutes, 0.9 and hood. Every 2 minutes, it is 0.9 and hood. Then 60 minutes, 30 times or not? 30 times means 30 into 0.9, 27. That 27 is the upstream speed or downstream speed? Upstream speed. M minus S equal to how much? 27 kilometer per hour or not? We required which one? Speed of the boat. M value or S value? M value. Adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. Both are adding. 61 by 2 means 30.5 or not? 30.5. Next question number 47. The respective ratio in the number of boys and number of girls in a school is how much? 10:9. If 20% of the boys and 25% of the girls score 80% or above marks in an examination, what percentage of the students score less than the 80% of the marks in the same examination or a different examination? Same examination. We required which one? Less than 80% or more than 80%? Less than 80%. Okay. First, boys are how many parts? 10 parts. Out of 10 parts, how much percent are more than 80%? 20% or not? What is the 20% of 10 parts? 2 or not? Next, girls are how many parts? 9 parts. Out of the 9 parts, how much percent are getting greater than 80%? 25% or not? What is the 25% of 9? 2.25 or not? 2.25. Okay. Only boys case 2 parts. Only girls case 2.25. Total how much? 4.25 or not? 4.25 are getting greater than 80% or not? But we required which one? Less than 80% or not? Less than 80% means out of 19 parts, we are subtracting which value? 4.25 or not? 19 minus 4.25. 14.75 or not? 14.75. Just it is value. But we required which one? Percentage. 14.75 by 19 converted to which one? Percentage or not? Nothing but 1475 by 19 or not? Almost 8 times, more than 7 times, but less than 8 times. 78 or not? ఒక్కసారి వింటా అంటే అడిషనల్గా ఇంకోటి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. కొద్దిగా ఫాస్ట్గా అయిపోతుంది. ఫస్ట్ కాపీ చేయండి. కంప్లీట్. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 10 parts, how much percent? 20%. Out of 10 parts, 20% means remaining are 80%. 80% of how many parts? 10 parts are not. Plus out of 9 parts, how much percent? 25% is given. What is the remaining percent? 75% or not? Okay. Divide by 19. That is the answer. But compared to this one, first one is better or not? Calculation wise. 80% of 10 means it is 8. 75% of 9 means it is some value or not? Both are adding by 19. Okay. Next question number 48. In an examination, a student scored 9 marks for every correct answer and losses 4 marks for every wrong answer. If a student had attempted in all the 67 questions and secured 395 marks, what was the total number of questions he had attempted correctly or not? Okay. By using reverse method or not? Okay. We required which one? Correct questions or wrong questions? Correct questions or not? Correct questions are required means which one data we are taken? Wrong questions. How many questions are total? 67 questions. Already getting how many marks? 395. 395 minus of every question, how many marks are losses? 4 marks. All the 67 questions are wrong means he losses 4 into 67. But it is minus 4 or plus 4? Minus 4. 4 into 67 means 268. Minus of minus plus 395 plus 268 by every question correct value are 9 marks, wrong value are 4 marks or not? 9 minus of minus 4 or not? Okay. Numerator number of marks. Denominator each one question marks or not? Then we are get the number of correct questions or wrong questions? Correct questions. 395 plus 4 into 67. How much? 268 by 9 plus 4. 13 or not? Okay. 395 plus 268. Both are adding it is 600. 650. 663. 663 by 13. Almost 51. Suppose wrong marks. We required wrong marks means reverse or not? Which one data we are taken? Correct marks or not? What are the correct questions? Every question are 9 marks. 67 into 9 minus 395 by 9 minus of minus 4. Okay. Solving this one we are get the wrong marks or not? Or else already we know the correct questions or not? 51. Out of 67, 51 are correct means remaining 16 are wrong questions or not? Next question number 49. In a show, the total amount received after selling all the tickets was how much? 3,300. And if 30 children and 40 adults attended the show and the price of children ticket was half of the price of which one? Adult ticket. How much was the price of each children ticket or not? Okay. What is the number of children? 30 children. What is the number of adults? 40 adults or not? Okay. Each one children ticket value is half of the which one? Adult value. Suppose adult value we treated as 2 parts. Adult ticket value 2 parts. Then children ticket value 1 part or not? Okay. Every adult ticket value 2 parts means every children ticket value are 1 part. 30 into 1 part means it is amount of which one tickets? Children. 40 into 2 parts means it is amount of adults. Both are adding it is total amount or not? What is the total amount? 3,300 or not? Left hand side zeros, right hand side 0 cancel or not? 3 ones are how much? 3. 4 twos are 8. Total 11 parts. 11 parts equal to how much? 330. Then every 1 part are 30 or not? 1 part nothing but which one ticket? Children. Answer 30. Next question number 50. A started a business by investing 8,800. After 4 months, B joined him with an amount of 11,200. After 2 months of B joining, C joined them The respective ratio of the investments of B and C was how much? 7:12. If they earned an annual profit of 43,650, what is the B share or A share? B share. Okay. B share means how many parts we need? 7 parts or 8 parts? 7 parts. How many options are 7 multiples? First option 7 multiple. First option, no or yes? 7 ones are 7. Remaining value 66. 7 multiple? No. Second option, 7 17s 119. No. Third option, no. Fourth option, no. Fifth option, yes or not? Next, what is the A investment? 8,800. What is the B investment? 11,200. First zeros are cancelled or not? 88, 112. What is the difference? 88 and 112. What is the difference? 24 or not? 24. 24 means 8 how many times? 88. 24 means 8 multiple and 3 multiple or not? 8 how many times 88? 11 times. 8 how many times 112? 14 times or not? Okay. A investment is how many parts? 11 parts. B investment are how many parts? 14 parts. But in second one, B and C, what is the ratio are given? 7:12. 7:12, again we written 14:24 or not? 7:12 means we written 14:24. What is the A investment? 11 parts. B investment 14 parts. C investment 24 parts. What is the total investment? 49 parts or not? 49 parts are getting how much profit? 43,650 or not? We required how many parts? 14 parts or not? Then answer must be 14 multiple or not? Okay. Again, how many options? Only one or not? 7 2 times. 7 how many times? 7 times or not? What is the 7 parts value? 43,650. We required how many parts? 2 parts. 7 how many times? 6 times. What is the remaining value? 2 times or 3 times? 2 times. What is the remaining value? 7 2s are 14. Remaining 5 times or not? 6250 into 2. Sorry. What is the investment ratio? 11 parts. 14 parts. 24 parts. What is the A time period? 12 months. B time period? 8 months. C time period? 6 months or not? Okay. 11 into 12, 14 into 8, 24 into 6. All are in 4 multiples or not? 4 how many times? First one? 3 times. Nothing but it is 33 parts. Second one 4 how many times? 2 times. 14 2s are 28. 4 how many times? 24. 6 times or not? 6 6 are 36. A investment 33, B investment 28, C investment 36. Total how many parts? 36, 33, 28. Total it is 97. What is the 97 parts value? 43,650. We required how many parts? 28 parts. Okay. 97 almost how many times? 97 how many times? 5 times or 4 times? 4 times. Actually it is 5 times means more than 450 or not? 4 times. 490 is how much? 360. 4 7s are 28. 360 plus 28 means it is 388. Out of 436 we are subtracting 388. What is the remaining value? 485 or not? 485 means how many times? 5 times or not? 28 into 450. It is 12,600. Next question number 51. Two concentric circles form a circular track. If the width of the circular track is given 7 meters and the circumference of the outer circular track is 264 meters, what is the circumference of the inner circle? Two concentric circles, nothing but one is inside circle, another one are outside circle ಅನ್ನೋದು. What is the radius of the inner circle? Small r. Radius of the outer circle r? Capital R ಅನ್ನೋದು. Okay. What is the question here? What is the circumference of inner circle? Circumference means it is 2 pi r value ಅನ್ನೋದು. Nothing but 11 multiple ಅನ್ನೋದು. How many options are 11 multiple? Only one. Okay. Small r means radius of inner or outer? Inner. What is the circumference of outer circle? 264. 264 means it is 44 by 7 into capital R value or not? It is equal to how much value? 264. 44 how many times? 6 times or not? Then capital R equal to how much? 42. And here width of the track is given how much? 7 meters. Width of the track is 7 meters. Capital R value 42 means small r equal to how much? 35. What is the question here? Circumference of inner circle means 44 by 7 into 35 or not? 7 almost 5 times. What is the answer? 220. Next 55. Rice worth 66 rupees per kg be mixed with another variety of rice in the respective ratio of 3:1. If the mixture is worth 74 rupees per kg, what is the price of the second variety of rice? First one is how many parts? 3 parts. Second one quantity 1 part. What is the first one per kg value? 66. We required second one per kg value or not? But mixture per kg is given how much? 74. Okay. By using alligation, 66 and 74 difference 8. 1 part value 8. Right hand side 8 means left hand side 24. Already compared to mean value 1 is less means definitely another one more value or not? Then question mark must be 98 or not? 1 part 8 means 3 parts are 24. Question number 53. In a competitive exam, 20% of the applications were found ineligible and 64% of the eligible applications were male. If the number of eligible female applicants was 8064, total how many applications were there? Both eligible and ineligible or not? Suppose total applications are 100%. Out of 100%, 20% are which one? Ineligible. Means eligible value 80% or not? Out of eligible, 64% are which one? Male value. Means female value 36%. 36% of which one? 80% or not? 36% of 80% means those are in female eligible or not? Female eligible value. What is the female eligible value? 8064. We require total or not? Total means how much percent we need? 100% or not? 20 how many times 80? 4 times. 20 how many times 100? 5 times or not? Again 4 how many times 80? 20 times 1 6 or not? Okay. Next 36. 36 how many times? 5 times. 36 5 is how much? 180 or not? What is the remaining value? 21. Nothing but 216 or not? How many times? 6 times. Then answer is 56 into 5. Nothing but 280. Again how many zeros? 2 zeros or not? Actually it is 7 multiple. How many options are 7 multiple? First option no. Second option 7 multiple or not? Third option also 7 multiple or not? 504 also 7 multiple and fifth option also 7 multiple. Then we are get the 3 options or not? What is the answer? 28,000. Next, Trisha traveled a distance of 30 kilometers in 8 hours. She traveled this distance partly on foot at 2 kilometers per hour and partly on bicycle at 6 kilometers per hour. What is the distance that she traveled on the foot? Okay. We require distance value or not? What is the total distance is given? 30. It is splitted into 2 parts or only 1 part? 2 parts. First case, what is the speed value? 2 kilometers per hour. Second case, speed value 6 kilometers per hour. By using alligation or not? By using alligation. What is the total distance? 30. What is the speed in first case? 2 km per hour. 30 kilometers with a speed of 2 km per hour means how much time are taken? 15 hours. It is maximum time to cover the distance or not. Next, what is the second case speed? 6 km per hour. 30 kilometers with a speed of 6 km per hour means how much time are taken? 5 hours or not. Means it is minimum time to reach the destination or not. What is the overall time? 8 hours or not. Overall time are 8 hours. What is the difference between 15 and 8? 7. 8 and 5 difference? 3. What is the ratio? 3:1. Means the distance in first case 3 parts. Distance in second case 7 parts or not. Total distance are 10 parts. What is the 10 parts value? 30. Then 3 parts value? 9. 7 parts value? 21. What is the answer? 9 or not? On foot or on bicycle? On foot. We required how many kilometers? 9 kilometers. D1 or D2? D1. Next question number 55. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 8/4/7 hours. When opened simultaneously, B alone takes 5 hours more than the A alone take to fill the tank completely. How much time does A alone take to fill the tank or not? Okay. 8/4/7. 60/7. 60/7 means it is time value or speed value? Time value. Time nothing but work by efficiency or not? Work is how many parts? 60 parts. Efficiency 7 parts or not? Then verify the options. We are get the answer easy or not? Okay. And here B time compared to A time, how many hours are more? 5 hours. B value compared to A value, how many hours are more? 5 hours more. Suppose A value are T hours, B value are T plus 5 or not? Okay. What is the fifth option? 10 hours. If A value are 10 hours means B value are 15 hours. What is the LCM of 10 comma 15? 30. But we required LCM value 60. Means fifth option satisfy? No. Next. What is the fourth option? 15. T value 15 means T plus 5, 20. 20 and 15 LCM 60. 20 how many times? 3 times. 15 4 times or not? Work is 60. Efficiency 7. Answer fourth option or not? If it is not satisfied, verify the third option, second option and first option. Already we are eliminated the first option, second option and third option. What is the first option value? 12. A value 12 means B value 17. LCM of 12 comma 17, 60 possible or not? No. Next, what is the second option? 18. A value 18 means B value 23. 18 comma 23 are factors of 60? No. Next, A value 14, B value 19. 14 and 19 are factors of 60? No. Then how many options are left? 2 options. Next question number 56. Simplifications. First priority 1224 divided by which one? 51. 51 2s how much? 1 or 2. Remaining value 204. How many times? 24 times. 344 minus 24. 320. 320 is divided by 5. We are getting 64. It is cube of which one? 4 or not? Next 57. All the options are given in mixed fractions or not? Okay. Already integer value 10. Then take the LCM of fractions or not? 2, 4, 8. LCM 8. 2 how many times? 4 times. 4 how many times? 2 times. 8 1 time. Then total answer 10, 7 by 8. Which option? Fifth one. Next question number 58. First priority integers either adding or subtracting. 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 5. How much? 25. Next, after that, fractions either adding or subtracting. What is the LCM? 30 or not? 5 how many times? 6 times. 10, 3 times. 15, 2 times. Plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. 6 plus 3? Sorry, 15 how many times? 2 times 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 by 30 means 1 by 2. Then total answer 25. 1 by 2 or not. Next 59. First priority square root of 196. What is the square root of 196? 14. 130, sorry, 130 plus 14. 144. Square root of 144. 12. 349 plus 12. 361. It is square of 90. Next. 4 by 9 of 7 by 13 of first. 13 how many times? 585. 13 for the 52. Remaining value 5 times or not? Wait. What is the numerator? 17 or not? Denominator any cancellation values of 17? No. Then answer must be 17 multiple. How many options? Only one or not? Okay. Next question number 61. Square root of 0.09 into square root of 0.0064. Square root of 0.09. 0.3. Square root of 0.0064. Nothing but 0.08 or 4? 8. Answer 0. How many decimals? 3 decimals. Then we return 0.024. How many decimal values? 3 or not? 3 8s are how much? 24. Then we are getting 0.024. Which option? Fifth option or not? 62. First priority bracket value or not? 260 plus 82. 342. 7866 divided by which one? 342. What is the units position in denominator? 2. Numerator 6. Possibility either 3 or 8 or not. Okay. Either 3 or 8. Suppose if you are consider 3. 3 minus 0. 3 or not. 8 minus 0. 8. Options are possible or not? Okay. 7866 divided by which one? 342. 342 means it is more than 20 times or less than 20 times? More than 20 times. Means it is almost 23 times or not? 23 times. Because more than 20 times or not? But nearby 20 times value or not? Means 23 are possible or 28 are possible? 23. 23 minus 20. 3 or not? Next 63. 325% of something minus 425% of 150, it is equal to 2547.5. First priority 425% of 150. This one we return 150% of 425. What is the 100% value? 425. 2547.5 plus 425 or not? Again how much percent we are adding? 50%. What is the 50% value? Half or not? Half means 2.5. Adding or subtracting? Adding. 7.5 plus 2.5. 10. 10 plus 5. 15. Carry value 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 8. 25 plus 4. 29 plus 2. 31. 3185. 325% of something, it is equal to which one? 3185. It is divided by 325 into 100 or not? Okay. 325 by 100 into something equal to 3185. Means something equal to 3185 by 325 into 100. 25 how many times? Numerator 4 times. Denominator 13 times or not? Obviously numerator 13 how many times? 2 times. Remaining value 4 times. Again 5 times or not? 245 into 4 or not? 245 into 4 means it is 980 or not? Verify the 7 multiple, but how many options? First option, second option, 7 multiple. Fourth option also 7 multiple. Okay. Next question number 64. First priority left hand side denominator and what is the 15 square? 225. 14 square? 196. Difference? 225, 196. How much? 29. 29 into 4. 116 or not? 116 plus 11. 127 minus 17. 110. Something equal to 110 by 10 or not? Answer 11. First priority cube root of 729 by cube root of 27. Cube root of 729 means 9. Cube root of 27 means 3. 3 how many times? 3 times. Again we required 3 cube or 3? 3 cube. What is the 3 cube? 27. Okay. Thank you.